everyone, welcome back to day 7 of our 30-day vocabulary series. So today is day 7 and today I am going to share a smart trick to remember this word easily. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So today is day 7 and today's word of the day is ubiquitous. Yes, the correct pronunciation is ubiquitous. Repeat after me, ubiquitous. Correct. We use ubiquitous as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. Ubiquitous means that something is present everywhere. In Hindi we can say जो हर जगह मौजूद होता है. Now let's look at some synonyms of this word. Everywhere, omnipresent, universal, common. These are the synonyms. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. Mobile phones are ubiquitous these days. Social media has become ubiquitous in today's world. English is becoming ubiquitous all around the world. Now here is the smart trick to remember this word. Just think of Wi-Fi. Wherever you go, office, home, cafe, Wi-Fi is everywhere. So we can say Wi-Fi is ubiquitous. That's it. Now whenever you hear this word Wi-Fi, just imagine Wi-Fi everywhere and you will instantly remember the meaning. That is the smart trick. Just try to find things around you which is ubiquitous, and this is the natural way to learn any vocabulary. So that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video with another powerful words and smart trick. So till then, use this word as much as possible in your conversation. Bye bye. See you.